back here. Hold the bottoms. Okay. We'll slide. You got to come back here. Hold that and that. Push everything. Hold the boat.
No, Josiah, no, no. No, Josiah. They're trying to build a cross out of pine cones. That's pretty creative, guys.
Yeah, that's what happens when you put your minds together.
I've got tools. Go grab that gray.
Let's build
box.
Let's build a church.
It's in the
Might as well, yeah. We got the foundations.
It's in the back room.
That is so.
Jay, you better be sleeping in.
Let's play on the computer.
Cut back. Alright, well, we're waiting on him.
I wonder if my Cutco scissors will work on that. I got my Cutco scissors here.
Oh yeah, you got Cutco.
I don't have the pruners, but I do have the scissors.
Cool.
I don't know if they'll work. I do have that big chopping knife, the cleaver. That might work.